again in Makati Med, in the Wellness Center of Makati Med. Tignan mo, i-tour ko kayo. Ayan. So, I'm here in the receiving area. Doon tayo pupunta later sa may breast and mammo. Ganon. So, I've been here for the past ilang years for the annual check-up. Diba? Alam mo yan, self-care yan. Just to check how our body, itong vehicle na to, is. And I've been monitoring yung aking mga breast cysts since matagal na, for the last 15 years. Kasi, I was found to have breast cyst, malalaki siya, and madami, both the left and the right. So, ang interesting is last year, I came across this light technology, itong LifeWave. So, I'm putting myself to the test because, syempre, tumatanda, diba? Parang naisip ko lang, if I'll just do what I do, then possibly, yun. Yung result yun na yun, diba? Hindi naman ako sobrang health buff, ma-gym, hindi naman ako sobrang ma-healthy eating. I'm just a normal person who, diba, wakes up in the morning, who does what I have to do. I also work, I take care of the kids. So, when I discovered itong light technology na to, sabi ko, this is not bad kasi I just stick it on and it does the work. Ganun daw. So, ito pala, I'll show you. So, this is, ito na sa ankle ko. This is actually, it takes care of the hormones. SP6, dyan yung kanyang area kasi this is the spleen area. So, challenge ko ay hormones. I was diagnosed of PCOS since I was 15 years old. So, imagine mo. Yun. And interestingly, well, last month when I did the Trans V, it was the first time after 15 years na walang cysts yung aking ovaries. Di ba nakakatuwa? Pati yung myoma, there's myoma. I thought when I gave birth to 3 kids, mawawala na lang siya. But it's still there. But with this technology, interestingly, ang clear, ang pristine, di ba? Pristine ang ating, ovaries, pati yung, myoma. So, I'm sharing this kasi I bet may kilala ka din, or you yourself, may mga challenges in the body. So, ang interesting that there's a light technology that can support the body, diba? Para self-care lang, best efforts lang, at saka para hindi masyadong mag-degrade lang yung body, ganun. And, so, yun, I'm really just waiting here for my turn. I'll be having my mammogram and breast ultrasound naman ngayon. So, honestly, hindi naman ako masyadong hopeful na mawawala siya lahat-lahat agad-agad. But if I will see na may progress, alam mo yun, lumiit man lang yung mga cysts. Kasi it has been growing, ha? And the reason why in-effortan ko lang na mag-patch, ganon, is so that hindi ko lang siya hinintay, di ba? Na mag-progress. Alam mo na yan. Yun. Okay? So, let's see. I'll update you kung ano man ang news dito. And message for you is, I know, madami din tayong pinagdadaan ng challenges right now. Have faith. Have faith that life is happening for you and not to you. And ano lang tayo, gratitude. Yung practice ng gratitude every day is for what you have, what you already have, brings in more of the things that you like in life. Diba? Okay, so I think I'll be called in a little while. So let's begin.